We get it. We get it. We freaking get it. You're a professional with a job even in this economy.
Okay, slow down, Hova. Slow down, Hova. I can't, he won't stop.
You need a numpad. So Equinix released an update to their plastic F96 keyboard, the F97. Now it's a heckin' chonker in all aluminum. Big, heavy, and fills out your hands. Its main upgrades from the F96 are the connectivity. Now you can do Bluetooth, dongle, or wired, as well as the aluminum case. Aluminum case and wireless? Yes, we'll talk about that in a minute. Equinix is a company I tout for setting the gold standard as to what factory lube stabilizers should sound like in a pre-built.
Hey!
That's pretty solid. They're usually pretty solid. They are sponsoring this showcase, but my opinions are always my own. Y'all get the gist, y'all can trust me. The F97 is essentially a compact, full-size keyboard. Okay, 96%? Why not 100%? Sorry, Mom, jeez.
Smell like minimum wage.
You have all of your keys and they're gonna be all compressed up against each other. What? You don't like your arrow keys all up in your numpad's business? Well, you wanted all the keys, so this is how you fit in a keyboard. This is primarily a pre-built at the end of the day. I tried taking this apart, and although it's easier to take apart than their plastic keyboards because their plastic keyboards have stickers and adhesive over the screws, it was very difficult to take apart. If you were to open this up, how much hell would it be? Whoa, what is this tape? What did I just take off? What is this? Fuck, I don't know. How does this work? Shit, what? I think this goes there. I don't really know. I don't even know if I'm screwing this in. I think I'm doing something. Oh no. Did I pop the wire? Motherfucker. Costar! So far we've learned that you should not open up this keyboard because there's nothing inside for you. Don't take this apart. This is a grab and go keyboard like the rest of their offerings. I only consider taking it apart to try to fix the spacebar sound. Let's just dab a little in there and I'm gonna just get this joint. Let's go ahead and just add more. There's no butt to plug here. It's just more like a hole. It's not the worst. It's like improved. But that sound there would be plate design as well as mounting. Taking apart the aluminum shell, looks like we have straight up Japanese architecture with these angled screws. Call it style, I guess. Why did we take it apart? Well, let's talk about the sound first. The sound of this keyboard sounds great. Sounds on par with the rest of their plastic keyboards, but the spacebar wasn't slapping. That's such blasphemy. My plastic Equinix keyboards always had spacebars that schmack, but the aluminum case and plate here were causing some issues. With the hopes of no longer being a disappointment to my parents, I cosplayed as a doctor to try to save this keyboard live with my trusty tools. Well, it was whatever I had in the drawer. The process was honestly pretty painful. Once we opened it up, we discovered some cool things. Is the antenna sticking in here? Oh, this one, the thing is gonna be right here. The antenna has an extender that can reach the signal of the dongle better. You see right here, that little piece of plastic? That little piece is transmit that signal. And honestly, I trust the signal of a dongle better. You use dongles for your wireless mice. We of course had to test it with some gaming. So we went to Apex, check out these sick plays using a work keyboard like this in wireless mode. Oh god. Oh fuck me, man! Man! Fuck you! If you're interested in custom keyboards and want to use them wirelessly, do not rely on Bluetooth only. Use keyboards with dongles at the bare minimum. Trust me. Inside the keyboard, it already had foam and it was already built out. The Costar stabs were already installed and lubed, so there wasn't much to fix or mod here. The spacebar sound was just the plate design, which is a shame. It's not the worst, it's like improved. Unfortunately, there are definitely hard limits to modding. We did, however, open it up already, so we tried the kill mat mod from keyboard, and honestly, I made the keyboard sound worse. Okay. Oh god. I'm just honestly not as skilled as keyboard. We removed it and tried to lube it just to get back to the original sound. I went through this pain so that you don't have to. Don't take this apart. If you don't like the sound test here, yeah. At the end of the day, this keyboard is more expensive than its plastic brothers. With multiple piece aluminum case and added connectivity options, we're looking at $255 USD before shipping. For a 96% work keyboard with theoretically no missing keys, it's definitely a very specific market. This is the keyboard you're looking for. Do you really need that numpad? Do you need all these other keys up here? You may want to consider the 75%-ish plastic brothers and save some dough. Let me know in the comment section below if this is the dream keyboard that you wanted. Wireless, aluminum, all the keys, numpad, and a retro style could be for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.